Question 1. Who was the founder of Atmiya Sabha, or Society of Friends? A. Motilal Nehru. B. Chittaranjan Das. C. Prince Dwarkanath Tagore. D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Correct answer is D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question 2. In which session of the Indian National Congress was the national song, Vande Mataram, sung for the first time? A. Kolkata, 1896. B. Mumbai, 1889. C. Lahore, 1909. D. Varanasi, 1905. Correct answer is A. Kolkata, 1896. Question 3. Who among the following gave up the title, Kaiser-i-Hind, against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Bhagat Singh. D. Udham Singh. Correct answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. Question 4. Who was the leader of the Bardoli Satyagraha? A. Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Madan Mohan Malviya. Correct answer is A. Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 5. Servants of India Society was founded by A. G. K. Gokhale. B. M. G. Ranade. C. B. G. Tilak. D. V. D. Savarkar. Correct answer is A. G. K. Gokhale. Question 6. What was the name of the first newspaper to announce the partition of Bengal on July 6, 1905? A. Swaraj. B. Sanjeevani. C. Kalantar. D. Anandabazar Patrika. Correct answer is B. Sanjeevani. Question 7. One caste, one religion, one God for man, is the teaching of underscore. A. Rajaram Mohan Roy. B. Sri Narayana Guru. C. Kesavan. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is B. Sri Narayana Guru. Question 8. The partition of Bengal was annulled in A.1905, B.1911, C.1901, D.1947. Correct answer is B.1911. Question 9. Which movement marked the beginning of civil disobedience movement? A. Khilafat movement. B. Salt Satyagraha. C. Gadhar movement. D. Non-cooperation movement. Correct answer is B. Salt Satyagraha. Question 10. The Vernacular Press Act 1878 was passed by underscore. A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Wellesley. C. Lord Lytton. D. Lord Hardinge. Correct answer is C. Lord Lytton. Question 11. Only session in which Mahatma Gandhi elected as Congress President. A. Lucknow. B. Belgaum. C. Mumbai. D. Karachi. Correct answer is B. Belgaum. Question 12. Which act provided for right to vote to women? A. Indian Councils Act, 1909. B. Government of India Act, 1919. C. Government of India Act, 1935. D. Indian Independence Act, 1947. Correct answer is B. Government of India Act, 1919. Question 13. After the Chauri Chura incident, Gandhiji suspended the underscore. A. Non-cooperation movement. B. Civil disobedience movement. C. Khilafat movement. D. Quit India movement. Correct answer is A. Non-cooperation movement. Question 14. Who founded the Arya Mahila Samaj? A. Sarla Devi Chaudharani. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. D. K. Karve. D. Pandita Rambai. Correct answer is D. Pandita Ramabai. Question 15. Classical Indian music has its origin in which of the following? A. Rigveda. B. Samaveda. C. Atharva Veda. D. Yajurveda. Correct answer is B. Samaveda. Question 16. From which of the following Indus Valley sites the evidence for double burial has been found? A. Lothal. B. Kalaibingan. C. Surkotada. D. Mohenjo-daro. Correct answer is A. Lothal. Question 17. Third Buddhist council was held where and under whose patronage? A. In Patliputra under King Ashoka. B. In Vaishali under King Kalasoka. C. In Patliputra under King Kalasoka. D. In Kundalvana under King Kanishka. Correct answer is A. In Patliputra under King Ashoka. Question 18. Who was also known as the Redder Good Chehra? Answer. Senguttuvan. Question 19. Who was called as the Napoleon of India? A. Samudragupta. B. Skandagupta. C. Chandragupta II. D. Chandragupta I. Correct answer is A. Samudragupta. Question 20. The Chinese traveler Hiuen Tsang came to India during the reign of A. Samudragupta. Bashoka. C. Harsavardhan. D. Kulotunga. Correct answer is C. Harsavardhan. Question 21. Who presided on the Kannauj assembly of 643 AD called by Harshavardhana? A. Dalai Lama. B. Harshavardhana. C. Sasanka. D. Xuanzang. Correct answer is D. Xuanzang. Question 22. Niccolo de' Conti, the Italian traveler, visited Vijayanagar Empire during the time of underscore A. Devarai I. B. Devarai II. C. Krishnadev Raya. D. Achyuta Raya. Correct answer is B. Devarai II. Question 23. The third battle of Panipat was fought between underscore A. Hemu and Akbar. B. Nadir Shah and Mughals. C. Humayun and Sher Shah. D. Maratha and Ahmad Shah Abdali. Correct answer is D. Maratha and Ahmad Shah Abdali. Question 24. The first meeting of Constituent Assembly was held on A. The 9th of December 1946 A. D. B. The 9th of January 1949 A. D. Circa the 9th of December 1949 A. D. D. The 9th of January 1946 A. D. Correct answer is A. The 9th of December 1946 A. D. Question 25. Amendment procedure of Indian Constitution has been borrowed from underscore A. France Constitution. B. German Constitution. C. South African Constitution. D. Japanese Constitution. Correct answer is C. South African Constitution. Question 26. Which constitutional amendment is referred to as mini constitution? A. 44th Amendment. B.40th Amendment. C.52 ND Amendment. D. 42nd Amendment. Correct answer is D. 42nd Amendment. Question 27. By which constitutional amendment act, the voting age of Indian citizens has been reduced from 21 years to 18 years? A. 61th Amendment, Act, 1989. B. 62nd Amendment, Act, 1989. C.63 Road Amendment, Act, 1990. D. 64th Amendment, Act, 1989. Correct answer is A.61th Amendment Act, 1989. Question 28. The Supreme Court can issue writs under which articles of the Constitution? A. Article 32. B. Article 110. C. Article 226. D. Both 1 and 2. Correct answer is A. Article 32. Question 29. The judge of a high court in state is appointed. A. The Chief Justice of India. B. The Governor of the state. C. Chief Justice of the High Court. D. President. Correct answer is D. President. Question 30. Who is regarded as father of local self-government in India? A. Lord Dalhousie. B. Lord Ripon. C. Lord Bentinck. D. Lord Wellesley. Correct answer is B. Lord Ripon. Question 31. What is the tenure of the President of India? A.5 years. B.6 years. C.4 years. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A.5 years. Question 32. Which article provides for judicial review over legislative, executive actions in our Constitution? A. Article 10. B. Article 12. C. Article 15. D. Article 13. Correct answer is D. Article 13. Question 33. The power of the President of India to issue an ordinances is underscore A. Executive power. B. Legislative power. C. Constituent power. D. Quasi-judicial power. Correct answer is B. Legislative power. Question 34. Article 324 to 329 of the Indian Constitution deals with which of the following aspects? A. Elections. B. Protection of minorities. C. Panchayats. D. Powers of a governor. Correct answer is A. Elections. Question 35. The ninth schedule of Constitution is related to A.22 Official languages. B. Land reforms. C. Anti-defection. D. Panchayat. Correct answer is B. Land reforms. Question 36. How often are elections held for the municipal corporation? A. Every 2 years. B. Every 3 years. C. Every 5 years. D. Every 10 years. Correct answer is C. Every 5 years. Question 37. Which of the following articles says that executive power of the state is vested in the governor? A. Article 152. B. Article 153. C. Article 154. D. Article 155. Correct answer is C. Article 154. Question 38. In which case, Supreme Court held that preamble is integral part of the Constitution? A. S.R. Bommai case. B. Kesavanand Bharati case. C. Ashok Kumar Thakur case. D. M.C. Mehta case. Correct answer is A. S.R. Bommai case. Question 39. Which article of the Indian Constitution enumerates the residuary powers of legislation? A. 247. B. 248. C. 249. D. 250. Correct answer is B. 248. Question 40. The Millimet Committee report deals with A. Judicial delays. B. Textile sector reforms. C. Criminal justice system reforms. D. Stock market reforms. Correct answer is C. Criminal justice system reforms. Question 41. Which of the following rivers of India crosses the Tropic of Cancer twice? A. Mahi. B. Chambal. C. Narmada. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Mahi. Question 42. Which of the following place is known as Jewel in the Crown of Kashmir? A. Kashmir Valley. B. Mata Vasinao Devi Temple. C. Dal Lake. D. Shalimar Bagh. Correct answer is C. Dal Lake. Question 43. Which of the following is considered a hotspot of biodiversity in India? A. The Himalayas. B. Indo-Burma region. C. The Western Ghats. D. Sunderland. A. All the above. Correct answer is A. All the above. Question 44. Which is the largest national park in India? A. Hemis National Park. B. Pachmari National Park. C. Manas National Park. D. Van Vihar National Park. Answer is A. Hemis National Park. Question 45. First national park of India that was established in 1936 was named as A. Kanha National Park. B. Bharatpur National Park. C. Haley National Park. D. Rajaji National Park. Correct answer is C. Haley National Park. Or Jim Corbett National Park. Question 46. Which of the following is the second biggest river island in Asia? A. Majuli Island. B. Bhavani Island. C. Peacock Island. D. Nonknum River Island. Correct answer is D. Nonknum River Island. Question 47. Which of the following state has the highest mangrove cover in India? A. Gujarat. B. West Bengal. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. West Bengal. Question 48. Which of the following rivers flows from south to north direction? A. Mahanadi. B. Kaveri. C. Sun. D. Krishna. Correct answer is C. Sun. Question 49. What is the annual number of deaths per 1,000 people called? A. Crude fertility rate. B. Infant mortality rate. C. Crude death rate. D. Life expectancy. Correct answer is C. Crude death rate. Question 50. National income estimates in India are prepared by _ A. Central Statistical Organization. B. Ministry of Finance. C. National Development Council. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Central Statistical Organization. Question 51. Which of the following term is opposite to inflation? A. Deflation. B. Hyperinflation. C. Deflation. D. Stagflation. Correct answer is A. Deflation. Question 52. Which organization is accountable for calculating the gross domestic product of India? A. Indian Statistical Institute. B. Reserve Bank of India. C. National Statistical Office. D. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Correct answer is C. National Statistical Office. Question 53. Which one of the following options is not an example of indirect tax? A. Custom duty. B. Estate duty. C. Sales tax. D. Excise duty. Correct answer is B. Estate duty. Question 54. What happens during inflation? A. The value of the money increases. B. The value of the money remains stable. C. The value of the money decreases. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. The value of the money decreases. Question 55. Who measured the first national income of India? A. Dadabhai Naoroji. B. William Digboy. C. V.K.R.V. Rao. D. Professor P.C. Mahalanobis. Correct answer A. Dadabhai Naoroji. Question 56. What is the use of the Gini coefficient? A. To measure the difference between loss and profit. B. To measure the inequality of income. C. For measuring the income distribution. D. For measuring the equality of income. Correct answer is A. To measure the inequality of income. Question 57. The short form of ITR associated with income tax stands for what? A. Income tax return. B. Income tax revenue. C. Income tax result. D. Income tax receipt. Correct answer is A. Income tax return. Question 58. From which sector does India receives the highest share of GDP? A. Construction, gas, manufacturing, and electricity. B. Allied and agriculture. C. Service sector. D. Public and defense administration. Correct answer is C. Service sector. Question 59. The main objective of the 12th five-year plan is A. Inclusive growth and poverty reduction. B. Faster, sustainable and more inclusive growth. C. Sustainable and inclusive growth to reduce unemployment. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Faster, sustainable and more inclusive growth. Question 60. GDP in addition with NFIA equals to underscore. A. Subsidies. B. Depreciation. C. Indirect taxes. D. NFIA. Correct answer is D. NFIA. Question 61. Which of the following five-year plan was implemented with the slogan, Garibi Hatao? A. 7th five-year plan. B. 8th five-year plan. C. 5th five-year plan. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. 5th five-year plan. Question 62. As a factor of cost, what is the other name of the net national product? A. Personal income. B. National income. C. Net domestic product. D. Gross national product. Correct answer B. National income. Question 63. Which of the following should you not include for the calculation of GNP? A. Interest payments. B. Rental incomes. C. Transfer payments of governments. D. Dividends. Correct answer is C. Transfer payments of governments. Question 64. Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution? A. Lal Bahadur Shastri. B. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Manmohan Singh. D. M. S. Swaminathan. Answer D. M. S. Swaminathan. Question 65. Which theory for industrial relations signifies the concept of surplus labor? A. Unitary approach. B. Marxist approach. C. Gandhian approach. D. Pluralist approach. Correct answer is B. Marxist approach. Question 66. On which basis the national income of India is calculated? A. WTO rate. B. Market costs. C. Fixed costs. D. Factor costs. Correct answer is D. Factor costs. Question 67. Which years were planned holidays for the Indian economy? A.1966 1969. B.1965 1968. C.1967 1970. D. 1964 1967. Correct answer is A. 1966 1969. Question 68. The tax on goods and services market. India to emerge as a underscore. A. Common market. B. Set of different market. C. North and South market. D. West and East market. Correct answer is A. Common market. Question 69. The mix of inflation and stagnation is called underscore. A. Demand pull inflation. B. Cost push inflation. C. Devaluation. D. Stagflation. Correct answer is D. Stagflation. Question 70. Who was the last deputy chairman of the Planning Commission? A. Shri R.P. Sinha. B. Shri Shyamal Ghosh. C. Shri Vinay Kohli. D. Shri Montek Singh Ahluwalia. Correct answer is D. Shri Montek Singh Ahluwalia. Question 71. In which year was the 12th plan completed? A.2016. B.2015. C.2017. D.2014. Correct answer is C. 2017. Question 72. What was brought in place of the Planning Commission in 2014? A. Niti Aayog. B. Stand Up India Scheme. C. NABARD. D. SEBI. Correct answer is A. Niti Aayog.